He doesn't have much light out the back here, so we're going to put a strip light here. So on his prep benches, like so, he can see what he's doing here. Hey guys, it's Paul from All 12 Volt again, down in Smeaton Grange. Just to give you a little bit of information about this car that we're working on here. We've had this since brand new. Literally it came from the showroom floor with 50 kilometers on it. We have done, so ARB did the bar work on it. We've done the fit out of everything else. So from your driving lights, one of our best sellers, 7-inch spotlights, all the way to the GME CB antennas and CB systems throughout the car. Okay, up here we've also in the midst of installing side slimline lights. So if you're setting up in camp or you're driving around in the bush and you can't see, they are a great light to spread up all around your vehicle. So we're mounting this on both sides of the vehicle and also one on the rear. We'll get to that in a minute. I'll give you a quick rundown of inside the vehicle as well. So inside the vehicle, okay, we've put a UHF RJ45 mounting plate. He's got his XRS in his glove box. No one can see it, it's tucked away so no one's going to steal it. Okay, just plug straight in and then he's operating. Okay, you can talk to your mates, do whatever you want as normal. Take it off and put it away. No one will ever see it. You wouldn't even know it's in there. So we've done that on this vehicle. All the lighting, but we've done the Red Arc Tow Pro. That's on this side as well. We're going to mount some of the light, switching for the lights. So we're going to have a switch in here that's basically connected to the remote control. So it'll switch on the remote control when you're not in suburbia area, because there's a lot of interference in the city areas. Okay, so what that does is when you're in the bush, you just turn that on. If you're sitting at camp, press the remote control and it'll turn the lights on outside. Even if you're sitting down, someone needs to see where they're going or walking, you can flick the light on for them, no problem at all. Okay, we do a lot of that sort of stuff in our warehouse here. We'll move to the back of the vehicle and I'll show you in the back. So on the back of the vehicle, as I said before, we're installing a light bar on the back. So when you're reversing up to camp or you need to hook up to a trailer or whatever it may be, you can flick on the light from inside the car or inside the back here as well. So we've done the complete fit out of this back of this vehicle, okay? So you've got full drawer systems. Like so, and then you've got a prep bench for your barbecue. Nice and easy to operate, all aluminium, all light. Locks away inside. Also got a top one. Anything can be custom made for you, whichever way you like, or configuration, entirely up to you. So just on this side here, we've put, so as I said, we've done the fit out of this vehicle for a while now. This customer's been back to add more things. This was a 4-gang switch plate before. We've added more things, we've had to increase it. So we've managed to get a 6-way switch plate in. As you can see, it's going to be the left-hand lights off this first one. Center is going to be the rear light, and on the right-hand side, the third switch along. You've got air compressor, which is from the other side. So all you have to do is push on your fitting and go pump all your tyres up. That's the ARB compressor. We've also got our water as well. So we've put over the back there, I'll just turn on the lights so you can see it, which is another great feature we've done. So on these dimmers on the inside here, okay, you've got your lighting, white and amber, and then you've got another one for just the white only. Okay, so if you don't need the white, you can just turn it off and just have the amber, all white, whichever you prefer. Keep the mosquitoes away and whatnot. We're going to put another one along the front edge here, because as everyone knows, as you go camping, you experience and see what else you need and what extra things you could want. Obviously, he doesn't have much light out the back here, so we're going to put a strip light here. So on his prep benches, like so, he can see what he's doing here. Right now you can't see from inside. Once we've got a light there, he's going to see everything out here on his prep bench area. So let's put that away. Also, he's got his fridge slide with the prep bench. Fridge slide comes out like so, and then the prep bench as well. Okay, all slides in nice and easily, all tucked away beautifully. So he's got, we'll put a Red Arc DC to DC system inside here as well. It's got twin deep cycle AGM batteries up over the back, and it's got a solar input on here. So he's got his solar blanket, he just folds it out, puts it on the ground if he's set up for camp for a long time. Now this customer, he's getting a rooftop tent later on. He's buying that very soon. That's going to go up on top of the canopy. If he's camped up somewhere, he can put a solar blanket down on the ground, connect it to the Anderson, and that'll charge his two 135 amp hour deep cycle batteries in the back here. Inside as well, just open the side here. Over the back here, we've got 55 litre water tank, which consists the whole back wall of this canopy and this tub. So inside the little cubby hole here, we've got a 3000 watt inverter, okay, and then he just plugs whatever he wants in there. You can run a cooker, microwave, anything you possibly can think of that is not a heating element, then it'll run off that fine, no problem at all. On the side here, it's got USBs, cigarette sockets, that's all connected there as well, and an Anderson plug over the back on the side. It's got another one on the back wall there for his fridge, so as you draw out your fridge slide, it's not going to get tangled, it's going to be perfect. Also, on this canopy, on this four-wheel drive, we've also mounted the Rhino rack on the back of the canopy section here. This customer is going to have a rooftop tent, so he wanted to put it on the back of his canopy section, so we've had to put reinforcement bars on the inside. Okay, you can probably see them over the back there. Without that, you would not be able to put load on the roof rack itself. If it was just the canopy is not structurally designed to hold that much weight, so you need reinforcement bars on the inside. So we've installed that, and also the Rhino rack, which now accommodates for the lights on the side, and it will blend in nicely on the side of the vehicle as well. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any more questions, please contact the team at All 12 Volt. Our phone number is 1300 881 489, or via our website. Thank you very much again.